Hi, Upi. Thanks for joining on this conversation today. I know it's like the busiest day of one of the years, and I'm keeping you away from your family, but let's just make it both are worthwhile. Anyway, how are you doing? How are you?
Hey Vishali, thanks for having me. I've been doing great. Just trying to get the hang of the whole work from home situation. I think I've already got it, but
Right.
uh, yeah, I would say it's been good until now. I'm sort of
Uh-huh.
used to the whole work from home situation.
Right. Exactly. So, if you can give us a little glimpse about, how's your work like, and what does it look like? What line of work do you work in, and what's going on with your work, Ashka?
Yeah, so I am working on the SEM side of things at Merkle IDC. So we are not really interacting with Indian clients. We are working with the Merkle US team mainly. So
Uh-huh.
we try and keep an overlap as much as possible with their timings. But it's definitely
Right.
a very different challenge to align
Right.
with their expectations, and the US market is completely different. But my role
Right.
is to sort of drive one of the teams in the SEM IDC.
Right,
Yep.
right. So I just did a little bit of my homework and I got to know that you started off with your career with business development and you also got to try the digital marketing with your expertise and Google side of things, and then you also had your bit with search engine marketing, and there's so much and it's just so unexpected and for a person to touch all the grounds and improve the expertise on it. So how do you manage all of this if you could tell us a little about it?
I guess for starters, I think when I started with the business development job, I didn't really know what I wanted to do in my career because I was pretty much like every other student in college, and I didn't know
Right.
what should be done after that. I didn't have really set goals in my mind, but then I took up the first job I was offered, and it seemed pretty lucrative at that time. So, yep,
Right.
and it was definitely a very good challenge because I got to explore, a side of my personality which I didn't really know about. And business development can be really challenging. And then I realized, digital marketing might be the right fix for me. So, yep, I've been working on in this field, in the past 3 years, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
That's really exciting, yeah. I also got to know that you did a little bit of volunteer work in art and literature, and it's just very exciting to see that side of your personality. So, if you could tell us a little bit into how did you get yourself into that, be exciting story, I'm sure.
Yeah, so I think that started off with college. We had a subject called contemporary marketing. This was fairly new, even for the whole college. So I graduated from Symbiosis, and this. So we had a professor who was pursuing his PhD in contemporary marketing. So he, sort of exposed us to the side where we got to meet a lot of rural tribes who are purely into Warli paintings, and their art was literally something that we had never seen before. So we just, played our part in understanding the finances because they were not really exposed to those sorts. So we, made sure that they were connected to the right vendors and they got the right price for what they were doing. So it was
Right.
definitely a great experience.
Right. So since you have a thing for communications and art and culture and everything, you must really like it at Soccer, because the culture and everything there I think is pretty cool.
Yeah, I think Socrates is one of the coolest organizations I've worked with. Everyone's really talented, and the kind of people you meet, very dynamic in nature. Everything people have their own sorts of interest, and you get to know a lot more about people than you usually do in usual organizations. It's not just limited to your official working, but everyone's really involved or engrossed in a lot of things which you get to explore, which is great.
I think I can agree with you. You're all on the same boat, and I'm pretty excited too. Yeah. I just have two
Yep.
spot on questions for you before we end this conversation. It might just like come as a surprise. So, who's your go to guy in soccer? I mean, if you have any problem or any advice that you need on, or any problem that you can't get out of when it comes to work, or you're stuck at anything, who's your go to guy?
So I guess I could distribute this amongst two people. It depends on the kind of problems I'm facing. So one is my teammate who's been also one of the founding members of the team when we started is Roma Chaudhary. So
Okay.
I've been working with her since the inception of
Right.
IDC SEM, and she's really great with sharing personal thoughts, and she was the one who sort of broke the ice between us with the team that we started.
Right.
And then the other person is Shashank Kumar when it comes to more of official purposes. And then he's a great guy. He's grown a lot in the past 1 year. In fact, he joined 6 years, 6 months later than I did as an intern, and he's grown really well. So these two are the people I definitely rely on to share any of the thoughts that I have.
That's great. If Ruma and Shashank are watching this, I'm sure they'll really be glad. I have one more question. Just also got to know that you are a bit lean towards music as well. So, what has been your recent favorite song that you have got not able to get out of your mind?
One band that has been my favorite. It's not just limited to one song, but I've been listening to Pearl Jam for all my life, and they were the ones sort of inspired me to get into music and learn whatever I could. And yeah, so I think it's definitely there's this song called Black by Pearl Jam. So that is what I've been listening to for a very long time, and I still do. So it's like my go-to song for like forever.
I think I can say that I find myself lucky because I haven't heard to it yet, so that I can hear it for the first time again.
Definitely, you should.
Yeah, I think, yeah, that's been great. Yeah, thanks for joining us today, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know you in person when back in office. I think.
Sure. Thanks, Vishali.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much. Yeah.
much. Yep.
Yeah.